Hello everybody, welcome back to section 3.7. In today's video we will look at example 2 in your notes, and we're going to look at expanding the binomial 2r plus 5t multiplied by 3r minus 4t. And in order to expand this, we need to use distributive property as we talked about in the previous video. So when we do that, remember we take each term in the first binomial and we multiply it by each term in the second binomial. So when we do that, we're going to multiply 2r first by 3r, and that's going to give us 6r squared. Then we're going to multiply 2r by negative 4t, and that's going to give us negative 8rt. Then we continue, but we move on to the second term, 5t. So when we move on to the second term, we do the exact same thing. 5t multiplied by 3r is going to give us positive 15rt. And then 5t multiplied by negative 4t is going to give us negative 20t squared. So then what we can do is we can combine the like terms. So as we can see here, we have r squared in the first term, and we have no other r squareds. We have rt in the second term and rt in the third term, and we have t in the fourth term. So we can't combine the t, and we can't combine the t squared, and we can't combine the r squared, but we can combine the rt terms. And when we do that, we will get 7rt, okay? So when we combine negative 8rt plus 15rt, we are left with 7rt. So our expression here is going to be 6r squared plus 7rt minus 20t squared. And one thing that I want you to note is this rt here, we got it by multiplying the t and the r together. It doesn't matter if you write that as rt or tr. You can write it either way. It doesn't matter what order the variables are in as long as they are both there. If you wanted to look at the area model for this question, you could do so. You would just draw your little chart on the side. Okay, and again, you would just write out your two terms. So length times width, you would write 3r minus 4t, 2r, and 5t. And just multiply them together, so you would get the same result. 6r squared minus 8rt. 5t multiplied by 3r is 15rt. And 5t multiplied by negative t gives us negative 20t squared. And again, you would just get the exact same expression here. Add your 15rt plus your negative 8rt together to give you 7rt minus 20t squared. So you can see both ways you're getting the same answer.